king. If you love to play and dance along, then let's begin. We can do this while music king. La 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 la, can you hear us singing? La 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 la, we are music king. If you love to play and dance along, then let's begin. We can do this while music king. Stomp, 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 stomp. Can you hear us stomping? Stomp, 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 stomp. We are music king. If you love to play and dance along, then let's begin. We can do this while music king. Hello everybody! Welcome to today's music lesson. Easter time is coming up, right? We prepared some cool Easter things just for you. What are we going to use today?
An egg shaker.
An egg shaker. What does it sound like? Wow. I am really looking forward to all the cool things we're going to do with the egg shaker. Are you interested? Are you happy? Easter is coming up. Then just stay with us, continue watching the video and do some music with us.
What? You don't have an egg shaker at home? Don't worry, we have some ideas for you. Look at this.
Wow.
I made this with a cheese box. And guess what I put inside?
I don't know. What did you put inside? Wow. Is that pasta?
Yeah. And although it doesn't look like an egg shaker,
it sounds like one, right? Great. But what else can we use except the cheese box?
look at this.
What is that?
This is a Tupperware, and I put some chickpeas inside. And although it doesn't look like an egg shaker, sounds very similar, right?
That sounds very good. Very much like a shaker. We could use that instead of the egg shaker.
Yeah.
You know, I made something the other day that I think we could use as a shaker. What do you think? Does it sound like a shaker?
It sounds very, very similar.
Yeah.
How did you make it?
You know what? I used one of these toilet paper rolls and then used a stapler to just tuck the ends together. And yeah.
And what did you put inside?
Yeah, you know, I think I did it without something inside at first, but it didn't sound like anything. You know, in all these shakers, there's always something inside of it that shakes, you know, when you shake it. So you could use rice or, well, chickpeas will be a little bit, but like rice or like, I don't know.
Couscous, for example.
Couscous is great because it's small. Yeah, just, you know, I put it inside. I used rice for this one, and I think it's a great shaker.
Okay, I think with all of this we are ready to make some music, right?
I think so too. Have you already checked at home if you can use something as a shaker? If not, maybe now is a good chance. If you don't have anything at home like that or don't want to, you know, start DIYing right now, don't worry. You can just clap along with us for all the things we're doing today. Okay, let's go!
No, wait. You said earlier that it's Easter. This doesn't look like Easter.
No? What can we do then? Let's try something. I have an idea. Why don't we all together, on the count of 1, 2, 3, try to jump somewhere else. Should we try that?
Okay.
Okay, let's try. Let's try all together, okay? You guys with us. 1, 2, 3. That looks the same.
Yeah.
I think we didn't jump high enough. Did you jump high enough? Let's try again, okay? And this time we want to jump really, really high. The count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Oh, this looks amazing.
It looks way better. Way more colorful, way more fun.
We are ready now to make some really fun music.
Now we can start.
We are gonna start playing with our egg shaker, or not egg shaker, but shaker, playing slow and fast. Are you ready? Now fast! Slow!
really good.
Okay, let's continue with more. Good, now we're gonna start with a song called Shaky Shaky.
Shaky Shaky.
So we still need our egg shakers. And at some point I'm gonna do like this. And when I do like this, I want you to repeat from home. Yeah, can you do that? Let's start then.
1, 2, off we go. Come on, let's play some music with our shaky shakers. Come on, let's play some music. We only need to shake, shake them. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shaky, shaky, shake. Shaky, shaky, shake. Come on, let's play some music with our shaky shakers. Come on, let's play some music. You only need to shake, shake them. Shaky, shake. Shaky, shake. Shaky, shake, shake. Shaky, shake, shake. Come on, let's play some music with our shaky shakers. Come on, let's play some music. You only need to shake, shake them. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Come on, let's play some music with our shaky shakers. Come on, let's play some music. You only need to shake, shake them.
Great, now we are gonna do a rhyme that is called The Little Bunny. And we still need our egg shaker. And the only thing you need to do is shake it. And you can also repeat what I say. Are you ready? Let's begin. The little bunny jumps and jumps. The little bunny jumps like this. Hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. The little bunny jumps and jumps. The little bunny jumps like this. Hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. The little bunny jumps and jumps. The little bunny jumps like this. Hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. Great, that was fun, right? Did you notice that one time I sang the song very, very, very soft, and another time I said it very, very, very loud? Did you notice? Did you try to do it? If you didn't, try it again.
Wow, I had such a great time today. How about you? Did you have fun with us? It was so fun for us, right? Great. So, if you like this video, then give it a like. And you know what? You can visit us at our channel and watch some more videos with us.
Yeah.
And you can even send us
the egg shakers. If you made an egg shaker at home, it would be great to see what you made.
We would love to see you guys with your egg shakers. So thank you very much for tuning in today and watch us next time.
Bye.
Bye.